Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the process on how you can end your Amazon Prime subscription. It's relatively easy. Just go to Amazon.com and I'll link their website right at the top of the video description. And then go ahead and log into the Amazon account that currently has that Prime subscription. And then go into the top tab area where it says hello and then the name associated with the account and lists. Go ahead and click on that. And then go over and click where it says Prime, View Benefits, and Payment Settings. And then find where it says Manage Membership and click on where it says Update Your Settings. And then go down to the bottom where it says End Membership and click on that option. And then, of course, they're going to try to get you to not unsubscribe from your Amazon Prime membership, but just scroll down towards the bottom where it says Cancel My Benefits and click on that option there. And then, of course, again, they're going to try to get you to stay in your Amazon Prime subscription. But again, to cancel it, go towards the bottom right where it says Cancel Membership and click on that button. And then it might ask you to take a cancellation survey. If you want to do that, you can. But at this point in time, you should be to the point where you've canceled that Amazon Prime subscription and you will not be charged when that effective date comes around. So I hope this video was helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and I hope to see you back here for future videos.